Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Prisma with no-code database workflows, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. Begin by navigating to your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Prisma installation guide and hit enter. Click on the official Prisma documentation link. Once on the website, locate the Get Started section. Select the option that best suits your project needs, such as Prisma with Node.js. Follow the instructions to create a new project directory. Open your terminal or command prompt. Change your directory to the newly created project folder. Initialize a new Node.js project by typing npm init and pressing enter. After that, install the Prisma CLI by running npm install Prisma savedev. Next, initialize. Inside the Prisma folder, locate the schema.prisma file. Open this file with your preferred code editor. In schema.prisma, define your database provider, for example, PostgreSQL or SQLite. Add a data model that represents the structure of your database. Now, head back to your terminal. Run the command npx prisma-db push to create the tables in your database. If using a SQL database, ensure you've configured the database connection URL in the .env file. You can also set up your database with sample data by updating the seed script in prisma/seed.ts. Back in your terminal, execute npx prisma migrate dev to apply the migrations. To test your setup, create a simple data query using Prisma client. First, install the Prisma client by running npm install at prisma/client. Next, open your application's entry point. Create a new instance of Prisma client in your code. Write a simple function that queries the data model you just defined. Test your application by running it in the terminal with node-index.js. With successful execution, you have now installed Prisma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.